Hey guys, मैं सुजाता. Welcome to my channel Nature's Beauty. Today I'm going to share with you some immunity booster things that will not only boost your immunity power, also give you strength to fight with that coronavirus. अभी भले ही बहुत सारे जगह पे लॉकडाउन ख़त्म हो गए हैं, बट अभी कोरोना वायरस का जो फियर है वो नहीं गया है लोगों के मन से. एंड एक्चुअली ये है भी कि हम लोग जितना भी कोशिश करें वो उसके साथ फाइट हमको करना पड़ेगा. पता नहीं कितना दिन तक फाइट करना पड़ेगा, बट मैं आप सबको इतना बोलना चाहती हूँ, जितना हो सके अपने आप को सेफ रखिए, घर पे रहिए. अगर बहुत ज़रूरी ना हो तो घर से बाहर मत जाइए. अगर आप में से कोई घर से बाहर जा भी रहे हैं, वो मेल मेंबर्स हो फीमेल मेंबर्स हो, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर जॉब और बिजनेस सर्विस एनीथिंग एल्स, जब वो जाते हैं थोड़ा केयरफुल रहे. जैसे अपने साथ कुछ चीज़ों का केयर करना, मतलब कि आप जो जो चीज़ें कैरी करते हैं उसको रेगुलरली सैनिटाइज कीजिए. एंड आपका जैसे वॉच हुआ, घड़ी हुआ आपका, इसको आप सैनिटाइजर हाथ में लेके उसको थोड़ा सा पोंछ लीजिए, ताकि आपका जो घड़ी के थ्रू जो आपकी स्किन को आ सके उसका वायरस कम हो सके. अनदर थिंग, आप जो वैनिटी होल्ड कर रहे हैं, वैनिटी के भी थोड़ा सा उसको केयरफुली हैंडल कीजिए. हो सके तो छोटा वाला वैनिटी यूज़ कीजिए ताकि आपको सैनिटाइज करने में कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो. एंड जब पैसे आप लेते हैं या देते हैं, कोशिश कीजिए कि अपने हाथ को साफ रखें. वो पैसे को आप कहीं सेपरेट पाउच में रख सकते हैं तो बेटर है. अदरवाइज़ कोशिश कीजिए कि आप छुट्टा ना देके या छुट्टा ना लें. तो जितना पैसा आपके पास है आप वो टोटली छुट्टा लेने की कोशिश ना करें. तो चलिए, तो मैं आज आपको दिखाती हूँ. जितना भी हो जाए हम लोग जितना भी कोशिश कर ले. वैसे हम लोग सब अभी तो मास्क यूज़ कर रहे हैं एंड सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग तो है ही. एंड जितना भी हो सके हम लोग जो भी कर लीजिए. एंड सैनिटाइजिंग भी कर रहे हैं. आई होप कि आप सब लोग तो इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बताने की तो बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट आज मैं जो चीज़ आप लोग के साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ वो है कुछ इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर आपका चीज़ें हैं. जो खाना है आप कैसे मैनेज करेंगे, अपने इम्यूनिटी बूस्टर को कैसे मैनेज करेंगे या कैसे अपने इम्यून पावर को हाई करेंगे, इसके बारे में कुछ आपसे बात करना चाहती हूँ. जितना भी चीज़ हम लोग खा रहे हैं या ले रहे हैं, इसमें से बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैं आपको लास्ट वीडियो में बताई हुई थी, तो आप वो वीडियो को देख सकते हैं. अनदर थिंग, आप सबके लिए विटामिन सी इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट. हम सब के लिए, जो जितने भी हैं, छोटे बच्चे से लेके बुजुर्गों तक, सबके लिए विटामिन सी बहुत ज़रूरी. विटामिन सी इज़ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर रिपेयरिंग आवर टिश्यू एंड हेल्पिंग इन योर बॉडी ग्रोथ. एंड आपका इम्यून सिस्टम, स्किन केयर एंड हार्ट हेल्थ को ठीक रखने में विटामिन सी बहुत मदद करता है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज़ दैट विटामिन सी को अब हमारा बॉडी प्रोड्यूस नहीं करता, इसीलिए हमको इसे बाहर से ही लेना पड़ेगा. मतलब कि आज सप्लीमेंट्स और आज फूड यू कैन इनटेक दैट. बट हमको हर दिन डेली विटामिन सी not only boost your immune power, it also helps to protect your heart health and body growth. Also it improves. And vitamin C takes good care of your skin. And also it is not important that vitamin C what is it doing, but the thing is that vitamin C is the only option for protecting and fighting against any infection in our body. So now in this time we have the only option. When we are going out, we have the only option to grow our immune power, immune system, because it's not all the time possible to protect ourselves through sanitizer, masks and all these things. But I want to say you, if your immune system is strong from inside, so you can fight against any viral infection or anything else, any infection. Now right now you can see that many people are recovered from this coronavirus also. That is because of their immune system is very strong. Another thing is that now the government is giving that medicines that are full of immune system boosting of medicines, because I know now this time people are not getting enough sleep. They are because of stress, and they don't know how to manage this stress. It is natural, I know, I can understand also. But the thing is that if you can't handle your stress, then it may be problem for your health, your heart, it may hamper. that will create more problems for you. So understand one thing, the situations only can be handled by your mind power, means your positive thoughts, your strength, and struggling with the situations. It's not the thing that all the times we are facing with good times, bad times also come. So prepare your mind to fight with the bad times also, and for that you have to heal your body, heal your mind. And everything is possible when you have a good sleep, you have a proper sleep, when you have you have to go for 8 hours sleep at least, because when we are going to sleep, that time our body relax, our mind relax, our body rejuvenates. And proper sleep gives you, not only gives you a good health, a good thought process, and strength of mind increases. So before, when you want to when you have stress, too much stress, and you can go for good proper sleep, I can suggest you some sleeping techniques, how you can go for a good sleep. That also you can follow. In next video I will try to show you that. And another thing that for sleep, you can go for yoga exercises at home. You know, curcumin is one of the natural key that only found in the roots of the turmeric. So when we are consuming enough turmeric in our daily diet, that fights with against the inflammation and immune system, give boost our immune system. Another thing, when now the changing climate is coming, so this time it also fight against cold and flu. And turmeric is a natural pain reliever for any inflammation, against cold and flu, and the seasonal changes are coming. That time it is the natural way to fight against any infection also. So every day consuming turmeric in our diet, it really enhances your immune system. So it's better to go for turmeric. Intaking water is the best way to boost your immune system. As when you are intaking water, how much water you are intaking, and that release your toxins, cleanses your body. And when it also release all the toxins from the body. And if our vital organs and muscles will be cleansed up properly, so they can function very well, they can work properly. So understand, we need to intake every day at least 2.5 liter water. So you can take sometimes warm water also. Warm water is very good for cleansing our body and killing the bacteria, and for weight loss also. So you can take water in different ways also. Thing is yoga and pranayama. Yoga and pranayama not only gives us, not only strengthens our body, not only gives us the good result of exercises, but also gives enhances and improves our immune system, and it boosts our immune system really. Another, just try to go for whole plant food. That means variety types of vegetables and fruits you just intake in your food, because every fruit have the different vitamins in their whole plant. So you just after intaking all these things, you can get a proper vitamin for your body. Another thing, that for intaking of more vitamins, you can go for supplements like any daily tablets and A, B, C, D, E, and vitamin A, vitamin B6, B12, and vitamin C, vitamin D, and E. All these are very important for everyday intaking of in our foods, and it really boosts up your immune system. So just try to go for it, and just calculate where you can find all those things in potato, carrots, peanuts, and so many things are there for getting all these vitamins every day. So that's why I'm saying go for full plant food, so that you can get all these vitamins properly to your body. Just go for fresh yogurts every day, because yogurts have the much power for giving boost of our immune system. Yogurts have the very good natural power of fighting against bacteria infection, and heart health, gives good heart health, and makes our immune system strong also. So makes your skin very good, and glowing. And you can just go for any yogurt, like for homemade yogurt is better, fresh homemade curd. If you are taking every day, that's very nice. Yogurt have the vitamin A and zinc. So if you're taking it every day, you can get all those ingredients in your food also. And zinc is very good for your skin. Garlic contains compound allicin that fight against germs and remove toxins from the body, and helps you to make your immune system strong, and cleanse your body from all the germs. Garlic also prevents you from the cold and flu, and makes your immune system strong, as it has a hot ingredient. That's why it makes your body inside hot, and that's why it prevents all types of cold and flu and bacteria and infection. So taking of garlic every day, it will enhance your immune system properly. Omega-3 fatty acids are very good for our overall body and immune system, for good health, and for fighting against an infection. And omega-3 naturally we can get it from our like spinach and walnut and cauliflower and berries. And another thing, I can get it at seeds like flax seeds, chia seeds, etc. So you just go for the omega-3, or other way just in taking it, you can get the supplements of omega-3 and omega-6, that is very good for your health, that fight against your immune system. And every day morning, try to take a good sun bath from early sunrise. If you are taking that sun bath, that is sun rays are very good for our health, not only for our physical health but also for our mental health. And it also releases our many toxins from our body. And intaking of green tea is very good for your body. It gives you antioxidant and fights against any other type of germs. And green tea is immune boosting effect, and it is the ability to control inflammation and increase detoxification. It has the ability to control inflammation and increase detoxification. For preparing green tea, you just put the green teas in hot water, and just boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. Then you can put it off, and then you can add some little lemon juice in this, but don't add sugar and milk in this green tea. So that is very good for your immune system. There are different types of herbs also for fighting against our immune system. There are variety herbs in Ayurveda, like Ashwagandha, Yasti Madhu, and Pipli, and Guruchi. So all these herbs, if you are getting near to you, that is very good to take, and because it has the great power to inhale our body and releasing our toxics, so detoxify our body also. Another best way is nasal steaming. If you can steam your nasal portion, means in Panchakarma treatment, there are various types of nasal steaming and cleansing way, like 5 karmas we are adopting for cleansing our body. In that, nasal cleansing is another way, and it is best for cleansing our body and our all the infections from our body. Try to take 5 to 10 minutes of nasal steam every day. In that nasal steam, you can use like any oil, like lemongrass oil, that is very good, or tulsi, some tulsi leaves also you can put in your steam water, that is also very good. Otherwise, you can go for some turmeric burning and taking that smell for your nasal system, that is also very good. Someday I will try to give you that thing also, how to keep the turmeric things for our nasal, as to open our nasal system and clean up our nasal system. So I will show you in some video. You just putting water or storing water in copper vessel or in copper glass for some times before night, and when you are intaking that water in the next morning, that is quite good for our health. It is called tamra gel. And taking copper in our diet in copper vessel, that is clean up of three dosas, variety type of dosas. We have kapha dosa, pitta dosa, and vata dosa. These dosas it cleans up. And when you are storing water, you want to intake copper water at least 8 hours needs to store that water in your copper glass or copper vessel. So after 8 hours, if you are intaking that copper water, that really gives a medicinal water, medicinal. Every day try to intake some antioxidant foods, and also some micro vitamins like zinc, iron, and selenium, etc. And this will really give you very good flow for your immune system. And vitamin B12 needs to maintain properly. Hope you all like this video, and this is the thing how we can maintain our immune system strong. And apart from all these social distancing and everything, if internally you are strong, then outer parts are not affected by the infections or anything else. So I hope you like this video, and share it with your family and friends, so that they will also benefit from this video. Bye bye till next week.